This is another application question, question 2, and it's slightly more complex. Try to spend some time working on it. I think it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. The diagram shows a circle A, B, C, D, E with center O. Note that this is a circle. And we are given the area of triangle AEB equal to 60 centimeters square and AE equal to 8 centimeter. Given the angle BOC equal to 80 degree, we have to find angle EDC. And then we are given that if OX is perpendicular to AB, find the length of BX. My first hint for you guys is to check that the line OB equal to the line OC because they are both radius of the circle. With this hint, are you able to solve the question? Given that OB equal to OC, we know that triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle. Then we can find that angle OBC equal to 180 degree minus 80 divided by 2 to give you 50 degree because the base angles in isosceles triangle are the same. And we learned that angles in opposite segment sum up to 180 degree. So angle OBC plus angle EDC should be 180 degree. And therefore, we get angle EDC equal to 180 minus 50 equal to 130 degree. Now, if we know that OX is perpendicular to AB, we are supposed to find the length of BX. First, we should be able to tell that angle BAE is 90 degree because it's a right angle in a semicircle. If you look at the line E to B, E is on the circumference of circle and so is B. And the line EB passes through O, which is the center of circle. This definitely shows that EB is a diameter. Since we know angle BAE is 90 degree, let's use the property of the area of triangle to find out what's the length of AB. Area of triangle ABE equal to half multiplied by the length of AE and multiplied by length of AB. Half by multiplied by 8 multiplied by AB give us 60. So we know that the length of AB equal to 60 divided by 4 to give us 15. We learned that perpendicular from center will bisect the chord. In other words, AX should be the same as XB. Given this property, we can conclude that BX equal to 15 divided by 2 to give us 7.5.